The Toyota GR Corolla Morizo Edition is a performance variant of the regular GR Corolla hatch, taking it a notch higher in both performance and exclusivity. Limited to just 25 units in Australia, the Morizo Edition carries a range of focused enhancements that hone its precision handling and track day performance. From the factory, the Morizo Edition embodies Toyota GAZOO Racing's spirit, with engineers striving to push the boundaries of hot hatch performance, crafting a vehicle designed to thrill driving enthusiasts with its enhanced dynamism and lap time reducing modifications. Under the hood, power remains the same with 297 horsepower. The 1.6-liter three-cylinder turbocharged petrol engine has been retuned to churn out a maximum of 400 Newton-meters of torque. To handle the additional power, the 6-speed intelligent manual transmission has been recalibrated, and the gear ratios for first and third gear have been altered. This ensures the engine power band is used more efficiently and drive torque optimized, promising a more exhilarating driving experience. The suspension system of the Morizo Edition has also been revised. It now features monotube shock absorbers to improve roll rigidity and responsiveness of the McPherson strut front and double wishbone rear suspension. Further enhancing the grip and handling are the Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, wrapping the 10-spoke, 18-inch BBS-forged alloy wheels. All these modifications not only deliver superb handling, but also promise impressive performance on the track. Structural reinforcements have been added to the Morizo Edition, leveraging the rigid and lightweight TNGAC platform. The additional adhesive and the introduction of 2 new braces in the cabin enhance structural integrity. The rear seats have been removed as a weight-saving measure, collectively shaving off about 30 kilograms from the car's curb weight compared to the GTS. The roof is made of carbon fiber reinforced plastic, further reducing weight and lowering the vehicle's center of gravity. The interior features race-inspired touches, including race bucket seats upholstered in Bryn knob, perforated suede for maximum grip and stability during performance driving. Suede material is also applied to the steering wheel, manual parking brake, and shift boot. There are alumite red metal accents and red stitching, which adds an extra sporty touch to the overall aesthetics of the cabin. On the tech side, the Morizo Edition features an 8-inch touchscreen multimedia system supporting wireless Apple CarPlay and wired Android Auto. While some features like the 8-speaker JBL audio system and native satellite navigation have been removed for weight saving, Toyota Connected Services is offered as standard, providing enhanced safety and convenience. Toyota has paid great attention to safety in the Morizo Edition, including a comprehensive suite of Toyota Safety Sense active safety technologies. Only parking sensors have been left out from the features carried over from the GTS variant. In addition, the vehicle is designed to automatically communicate with emergency services in case of a collision or crash. Priced at $77,800 plus on-road costs, the GR Corolla Morizo Edition stands as the flagship offering in Toyota's performance car lineup in Australia. It's covered by Toyota Warranty Advantage, offering up to 5-year unlimited kilometer coverage extending to 7 years on engine and driveline. With its focused upgrades, racing-inspired interior, and exclusive availability, the Morizo Edition raises the hot hatch game to a whole new level. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more car reviews and updates. See you in the next video.